Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make caramel out of dates. This easy method requires just a few simple ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1 cup of pitted medjool dates, some water, and a touch of vanilla extract. Make sure your dates are soft and fresh for the best results. A high-speed blender or a powerful food processor is also essential for achieving that perfectly smooth consistency. First, if your dates aren't super soft, soak them in hot water for about 10 minutes, then drain well. Next, combine your 1 cup of pitted dates with about 1/4 cup of water in your blender. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, blend everything on high speed until the mixture transforms into a completely smooth, luscious caramel. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once blended, check the consistency. If you prefer a thinner caramel, add more water, just 1 tablespoon at a time, and blend again until smooth. For an extra layer of flavor, I highly recommend adding a small pinch of sea salt. It truly elevates the taste. Give it a taste and feel free to adjust the sweetness or add more vanilla extract to suit your preference. Your delicious, healthy date caramel is now ready. Transfer it into an airtight container. This wonderful caramel will stay fresh in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, making it a convenient treat. You can use it in so many ways. Drizzle it over pancakes, use it as a dip for apples, or stir it into your morning oatmeal. Enjoy this versatile and wholesome creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.